she really thanked me because she thought that most of the Nigerians are scammers, as you know. Even the scammers, I don't like.
Okay. So right now, how did you receive the message when she first said she was coming to Nigeria? Did you believe her?
Oh yeah, I believe, but you know. Oh yeah, I believe, but you know, sometimes a person has to take a risk to do something.
So how did you feel when you saw her for the first time, physically?
I was very excited when I met her. She wasn't as chubby as I met her. She was so perfect. Her weight was so perfect, and her height is so perfect for me.
So would you say it's a dream come true that you've you always had a fantasy of meeting a white woman?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. That's my plan, because I've been like planning to have a mixed race kid. So I can say that's is a dreams come true.
And how do you see the prospect of immigrating to the US?
Oh well, if we get married, hopefully, inshallah, in the month of March. Hopefully it won't take that long, like probably 9 to 12 months. Hopefully I will migrate to the US.
What I mean, are you looking forward to it? Like, are you looking forward to it? Is it like a sacrifice, or is it something that you like to do?
Well, you know, everything in this life is all about sacrifice. Yeah. So since I've gotten the approval of my parents, then I think I have a go ahead and I'm good to go.
Okay. And how do you think your future will be together in the years?
Oh, yeah.
What's the vision?
We're planning to get married and hopefully to have at least 42 kids.